How many people are watching that her bag is overweight?
50,000 people. Oh my god.
Doing like a YouTube thing?
Yes, I
Yeah,
am.
that's what's up. You have a channel?
Yes, I do.
Mind if I get it real quick? That's you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Alright.
Is this gonna be in there?
Yes, you can
All right.
say hi.
What's good?
With public health, we monitor the international flight that comes out,
Okay.
and we ask passengers to nasal swab. This is how we track to like see any virus may come in the country. We don't take anybody's name or personal information. Just the country. Yeah. You guys want to do it? You do it. You're doing it yourself.
It doesn't go by meter to the airport?
No, just around town, to and from the airport, it's a flat rate.
Oh, okay.
And normally it's like standard to kind of give like $2 instead of 25 cents, but
As a tip?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Because we are not used to this tipping culture.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so
We
much.
don't have an hourly pay.
Okay.
Yeah, we rely on the tips.
Oh, okay. Good morning, my lovely people. It's 5 in the morning. I'm leaving Las Vegas and heading to JFK. From there, I'll be catching a flight back to India. This is the hotel that I was staying in. Really nice hotel, and we got a good deal. $287 for 4 nights. Yeah. Priyanka is down checking out. One second. The hotel is pretty big. I mean, the walk to the elevator is really long. But then I had a really good time here in Vegas. The best part was seeing the canyon. Hello. One thing I've realized about myself is I'm very good or best in traveling alone rather than with someone. This trip was supposed to be a solo travel to the United States, but then I don't know how I agreed to do it with people, because I believe when I'm alone, I'm the best version of myself, and when I'm with someone, there are a lot of things that you need to compromise on, adjust on. Yeah, and sometimes their behavior can irritate you, and even if you try not to get irritated, they test your patience. But then there are a lot of things that I've learned from this trip. These are all the experiences that I'm taking along with me. I'm sure I'll better myself. Alright, we need to go to one lobby.
Oh, you're right. It's
A lot of shopping. पकड़ प्रियंका, जा उधर से मेरे को देना, इधर तो हैंडल ही ना, इधर.
Is that your camera?
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, okay.
We want to go to International Airport, Harry.
Okay. What is your airlines going to be?
It is Delta. Delta Airlines. We've taken a cab or taxi to the airport. My God.
You charge 30.25 the rent, the charges of the
I'm
car,
sorry?
the charge of.
Yes, it's a flat rate.
Okay, so you charge 30
Yes.
to the airport.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's a standard charge, or it's going to increase now?
It's what?
It's going to increase, or it's a standard charges?
It's the flat rate. It's going to be $30
Oh,
when we
okay,
get
okay.
there, yeah.
Okay.
And
It doesn't go by meter to the airport?
No, just around town, to and from the airport, it's a flat rate.
All right.
Oh, okay. Alright, so that's a flat rate, $30 to the airport. Not by meter.
There's so many rules.
Did you guys have fun?
Yes, we did. We enjoyed Vegas.
good.
Yes, we shall be coming back. I shall be coming back, sorry.
Yeah, it's a lot to do. It's
Yeah.
And normally it's like standard to kind of give like $2 instead of 25 cents, but
As a tip?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Because we are not used to this tipping culture.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so
We
much.
don't have an hourly pay.
Okay.
Yeah, we rely on the tips.
Oh, okay. All right. The lady was asking for tip. I honestly don't understand this tipping culture. I hope I've taken my card, my phone. Yes. My bag. Right to the check-in counter. We just have 15 minutes to check in. So this time we've booked a ticket through Delta Airlines just to get a different experience. And
Which airlines? Delta? Okay, here then. Let me see right there.
just to get a different experience, and the flight was also earlier than the American Airlines, so we've chosen Delta Airlines. Let me just check in.
Flying standby. Yeah.
Yes, standby crew.
Yeah.
Yes,
What airline do you work for?
we work for Indigo Airline.
Indigo?
Yeah.
Indian Airlines.
Indian.
Oh, Indian.
Can you check what? You're on second.
Yeah, we can.
Yes.
This is yours.
Yes.
You're aware your bag is overweight, right?
Can you put your back here in a second?
Yes, please.
How much over it? Wow. You gotta take some stuff out or get rid. She got room in her bag. Can you put some of her stuff in there?
I can. This is 38 LBS, right?
Oh, okay. There are 22 seats open.
Wow, Rochelle, I'm getting the seat.
Well, let me see how many non-revs. Eight. So yeah, you should be good.
Okay, thank you, Rochelle. Finally, I'm getting a seat because I have an onward journey back to India from JFK tonight itself. So I was worried if I'll get the seat or no. My luggage is underweight and Priyanka's is overweight. You can put in mine. You can put your stuff in mine.
Yeah, how much is it? Yeah, because मेरे पास खाने का item है और एक bag डाला है. Let's see.
Such a nice
You're
friend.
showing everyone?
She's showing everybody. You're gonna get your seat at the gate though.
All right, thank you, Rochelle.
No lithium batteries, power banks, e-cigarette, smart bag batteries.
Nothing.
Bag should go like this and we can just adjust it.
How many people are watching that her bag is overweight?
50,000 people.
Oh my god.
And that could be more as well if it goes viral. Priyanka, train is going. Come. Arey yaar. Again, I missed the train. There's a train to go to gates D. We missed the train. What happened?
कुछ नहीं जैकेट निकालो लेटर निकालो अब इसको एडजस्ट
You don't want to sit?
We'll be sitting all day.
Okay. The lady doesn't want to sit, so I shall sit. My seat is 25P and that's the aircraft that I'll be flying on. If I'm not wrong, it's Airbus 321. Yes, because I can see the mid exit there and the wing exit right there.
Doing like a YouTube thing?
Yes, I
Yeah,
am.
that's what's up. You have a channel?
Yes, I do.
Mind if I get it real quick?
Definitely, you can
Yeah.
subscribe to my channel. Where
Oh
are you
yeah, I
from?
got you. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Here, Vegas.
Vegas.
What about you?
I'm from India.
India.
Yes. P-R-I.
That's you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right.
Is this gonna be in there?
Yes, you can
All right.
say hi.
What's good?
Goodbye, Vegas. All right, let's go.
Oh my god.
Okay. Let me settle down first. I don't know if they give complimentary meals or no.
They
They do?
They do.
It's written? Okay.
I googled about it because it's the first time we're flying. So
Yeah.
I googled about it. It's on a low cost. So they've got premium or the business class there, and this is the economy cabin.
We've got in-flight entertainment here, charging port.
All well as another area.
Perfect.
This is what I've got from the hotel. I've watched Starbucks coffee, sun chips.
And we are halfway
So we're with public health. We monitor the international flight that comes out,
Okay.
and we ask passengers to nasal swab. This is how we track to like see any virus may come in the country. We don't take anybody's name or personal information. Just the country. Yeah. You guys want to do it? You do it. You're doing it yourself.
We are going back to India now.
Oh, where you came in here?
No, we came from
When I get home at
Oh, okay.
All right, bye.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
you guys going to the city or no?
make it so
No.
No, we are going to back to India now.
Oh, okay.
So I just asked in case because we have a halt of 4 hours. That's why.
Oh, if you're gonna. Okay. Yeah.
I love your
The city's gonna take like. If we take an Uber, it's gonna take probably like an hour.
flight is.
It's alright.
But then you can't do it because you probably go to the city. You gotta come back right here fast. So,
Correct.
yeah.
Departure is 8 o'clock, coming 2 hours.
Yeah.
Won't make
it
any
doesn't
sense.
make sense.
Yeah. And which terminal is it?
This is Terminal 4. So when you jump on the train, it's gonna take you to all the different terminals.
Got
The
it.
Sky Train, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, they've got random checks for virus for people coming in from international flight. Anyways, we are at Terminal 4. Now we are going to Terminal 8. That's where we'll be catching a flight back to India. This is where we'll get the Sky Train from. Finished securities. The TSA, basically it's a TSA check. They don't have immigration separately, and we've just finished that. I don't know what the lady at the check-in counters was saying. She had some issues with my name. She's like, why did you put your father's name first and not your surname first? But then I entered the details online the way they asked me. So yeah, but then the TSA staff didn't say anything. They just checked my passport and let me go.
Once again, please have your boarding pass and passports in hand.
Boarding has started behind me, but then I need to wait till the last customer boards, and then I shall be getting a seat allotted. However, the lady at the check-in counter did tell me that there are 70 seats vacant, and my standby priority is 9. So even if like there are 8 people ahead of me, I'll surely get the seat. That's the aircraft that I'll be flying on. It's a 787 Dreamliner of American Airlines. So, they've got complimentary service, 3 meal service that they give, and it should be 15 to 16 hours of flight to Delhi. That will be my second flight, and after that I'll be taking a third flight back to Mumbai. Finally going home, and then tomorrow I have to get back to work. Honestly, I don't feel like, but then that's part of my life. I have to work to earn money so that I can travel. Boarding group 6 of 9, and Priyanka is not here yet. I called her, she's like, I need 5 to 10 minutes more. She's shopping something.
Group 7 passengers are welcome to board flight 292 with service to Delhi. Group 7.
I'll go and find out.
Please have your boarding pass
My number is 10, not 9. Priyanka's standby number is 9. So all of them have been allotted seat except
Me and Priyanka, let's wait for the seats to
Room 9
get allotted.
passengers are also welcome to board flight 22 with service to Delhi at the same welcome all groups and all.
I asked the lady if there's any row which is completely vacant, and she said yes. So I've been given 2060. Hopefully the whole row is vacant and I'll get to sleep through the flight. It's a 14-hour 52 minutes flight. Just landed into Delhi, finally made it back to India. It's time for flight number 3 from Delhi to Mumbai. Finally arrived in Mumbai, guys. Wow, what an experience. But I'm so tired and don't have energy to talk about my US trip. Maybe in my next video I can share my experience, but obviously it was surreal. I mean, it was my first ever time visiting my dream country, and too much happened. I got to learn a lot about myself, and the country is super developed, super advanced, and it's super expensive also. You need to have a lot of money to visit US, obviously. And yeah, let me just end the video here. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I shall see you in my next vlog.